are you doing, you crazy kid? Do you have a headband on? Yeah. Do you have Ebony's headband on?
He's a boy too.
You have one headband on and you're carrying the other one? Oh, is that one for Ebony?
Thank you.
Man, guys, we were having such a hard time getting out the door this morning. First of all, Nick and I did not want to get out of bed. We were like kicking each other, both kicking each other to get out of the bed first. And, oh, now it's already 20 to 8. I'd be leaving right now to take Malachi to school if he was going today, and I'm so glad he's not because he's still in his jammies. Because we're just not motivated today. I think it has something to do with the weather. It's so, like, cloudy and dreary outside, and like it's gonna rain again, and it's just not a very motivating day. So anyways, but I do have to get out the door to get Abney to the bus stop, so we better get a move on. Look what Levi did all on his own. Oh, now he's climbing out. He climbed into the toy bucket. Can you get out too? Oh my, what a big boy you are now. Oh, changed your mind? You changed your mind? Are you stuck? Yeah? Yeah, I'm stuck. Do you need help?
Mom, I need help.
So today is a pretty cold day. It's pretty windy out there. I don't know if you can tell if I point out the window. You can see the trees moving a little bit. Okay, it doesn't look as windy or as cold right now, but it's absolutely freezing, just gotta say. So what better thing to eat on a cold day than, what do we have, Brielle? What are we eating?
We're eating their soup.
Noodle soup! It's the best thing to eat on a cold day. And we got our grilled cheese sandwiches. Then with Malachi got Alphagetti, except it's an animal one. Cool.
I got
And too. And crackers for our soup, to dip in our soup.
No.
Mm-hmm. Yummy.
This is the halfway point of a video. Thumbs up, comment, subscribe to our vlog.
So I just magically turned my double stroller into a triple stroller. There's Brielle sitting on the top. And Levi's in the bottom here. And there's Malachi in the front. So look at that, 3 in 1 stroller. Thankfully, Brielle's still tiny that she can fit there and her bum doesn't hurt on the cup holders. You like it up there, don't you? Is it fun? Yeah, you've been riding there the whole time. Yeah. We were rushing so fast to get from the store to Abney's bus stop so we wouldn't miss her. So I was like, quick Brielle, and I put her up there and then she loved it. You don't look like you love it.
Yeah, I do.
Oh, you do? Okay. So now we're 10 minutes early. We actually rushed too fast. So now we gotta wait here for Abney to come. And it started to rain, but it's just spitting, so we're okay, right? We're okay?
Yeah.
We can get a little wet, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't want to wait.
You don't want to wait?
No.
No, we have to be patient. Bummer.
Hey guys, what's up? So we're just having supper and Abby's like, Dad, can you give me some spaghetti with lots of cheese? I said, how much? She goes, tons. So I gave her tons. Is that what you wanted? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yum. If you like cheese in your spaghetti, comment below and say, your cheese. But if you think that's disgusting, go, ooh, oh. Spell that out. Figure out how to spell that and put that below. Just editing some videos, and Vicky went out to her Pampered Chef meeting, but Abney can't sleep. She's too upset. But another good thing about vlogging is, right now she's just watching back all of our old vlogs on the TV, because she wants mommy, and now she's like wanted to hear mommy's voice and stuff. So she's watching them on the TV, and she gets to see her mom. Where normally if you didn't do this, like Big Story, you have to wait for her to go home. So that's another cool thing about vlogging, just in case you're wondering. Ow, you threw the ball at me. Oh. Oh. Oh, thank you. Oh. Oh. Okay, see ya. Hey guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog now. Both the kids fell asleep watching our vlogs because they wanted to see mommy. So that was kind of cute. But yeah, so if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and click the subscribe button below. Leave some comments if you want to start some conversations and join the community. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. See you guys tomorrow.